Welcome back to my YouTube channel where we bring you the best and most ingenious laundry room storage ideas to transform your cluttered space into an efficient and organized oasis. With these practical and creative storage solutions, doing laundry will become a breeze and your laundry room will be the envy of everyone who sees it. In this video, we shall showcase a variety of storage hacks that maximize space and keep everything tidy, making laundry jealous of a core. From budget friendly DIY projects to clever product recommendations, we have got something for every style and space. Space Living Laundry Stores discover innovative ways to sort your laundry and keep it off the floor. We shall present foldable, wall mounted, and rolling laundry sorters that are perfect for small laundry rooms or even laundry closet. Wall mounted dry racks say goodbye to bulky floor drying racks. Learn about sleek and efficient wall mounted drying racks that can be easily folded away when not in use, saving you valuable space. Overhead storage solutions, we shall show you how to make the most of your vertical space with overhead storage ideas. Utilize shelves, cabinets, or hooks to store detergent, cleaning supplies, and other laundry essentials. Hidden ironing board cabinets, hide the sight of your ironing board out in the open. We have got a fantastic solution for you. Watch as we reveal cleverly concealed ironing board cabinets that blend seamlessly with your laundry room decor. Stylish baskets and bins keep your laundry room looking stylish and organized with the help of chic basket and bins. Learn about different materials, sizes, and designs that complement your laundry room's aesthetic. Innovative folding stations, discover folding stations that can be easily tucked away when not in use, providing you with a clean and clutter free countertop for your laundry task. Repurposed furniture ideas, get creative with repurposed furniture items to add a touch of uniqueness to your laundry room while providing functional storage solutions. Compact ironing stations, if your laundry room is small, fret not. We shall present compact ironing station options that fit perfectly into tight spaces without sacrificing